So Cam, we've got your truck in the air. We're just going to show you your cooler line leaks. These crimps right in this location here, these are what's leaking. Very common for that to leak. You can see the oil that's collected onto the cooler lines themselves. There's another one there that's leaking as well. Aaron is going to wiggle your tire so we can show you your ball joint, where if you look up in this location right here, you can see the ball joints moving. There should be no movement there whatsoever, and clearly that ball joint is bad.